Here we come to the freight elevator at the Hughes-Triggs Student Center at Southern Methodist University in Dallas, Texas. If you wonder what those barricades are doing here, well, starting next week, this elevator is going to be getting modernized. And the passenger elevator's already been modded, but it's not completed yet. Got your original indicator, but the only thing that's been replaced are the fixtures. This is just a slap-on modernization. Even though this is modded, but we'll still take a quick ride anyways, because you're not going to see this elevator anymore. Lantern doesn't work. Hopefully we'll hear the motor over the fan. 2. LL. As you can see, they just only replaced the fixtures, but this thing is almost totally completely original. Just only slapped in these innovation fixtures, but you can tell that this has definitely got on the original controller. So we'll get one last caveat of this, because from what I heard, they're doing the whole entire elevator car. They're basically replacing everything with this, so I'm gonna get a much detailed caveat as much as I could. It's a pretty nice elevator. All right, now we will end the video up on the first floor. Looks like somebody needs to use it, so we're gonna go ahead and get off. All right, here we are at 1. See if the bell works. The down works. Oh, I think it just went down because somebody called it. Anyways, there it goes, and that's it. That was pretty cool, and there you go.